Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Brownie Brittle full guide. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line a 9x13 pan with parchment, trimming edges so the brittle lifts easily. Whisk 1 cup sugar with 2 eggs until glossy, then stir in 1/2 cup oil, 1 tsp vanilla, and 1/2 cup cocoa. Fold in 3/4 cup flour and a pinch of salt until just combined. Spread thinly and bake until crisp at the edges. Combine dry ingredients separately to avoid lumps, then add wet ingredients in 2 stages to maintain thin batter consistency. If using chocolate chips, sprinkle on top just before baking to prevent sinking. Aim for batter thickness similar to heavy cream so it spreads thinly across the pan. Tap the pan gently to release air bubbles, then bake until edges are deeply set and center is just firm. Rotate halfway for even color. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more recipes. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle. It keeps drinks cold, prevents spills, and fits cup holders, perfect for sipping while snapping shards. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you like. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Once baked, cool the brownie sheet on a wire rack until room temperature to let steam escape and crispness develop. For extra snap, transfer to the refrigerator for 10 to 20 minutes before breaking. Break into shards using a serrated knife or by tapping the pan edge for irregular pieces. Store in an airtight container with parchment layers to preserve texture for several days. Reheat briefly to revive crispness if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.